Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello. Taurus placements. This is your general situation in love and the person on your mind reading. Okay, so yes, this is end of April. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga items, so nandito sila lahat. Okay, meron tayong protection from evil eye, so bracelet. Meron tayong dalawa. Okay, so ito yung isa. This is garterized. Yung isa is adjustable. Yung adjustable, available to in red strings. Okay? And ito yung may initial. Okay, initial nung magmamayari na lagay po. And our ring, this is adjustable. Okay. Yung atin din namang necklace. So, yung necklace, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. This is unisex. Okay, unisex tong ating evil eye necklace. This is protection from evil eye, not evil eye ha, not evil. So, siya yung nagpo-protect sa'yo para hindi ka mapasok nung nag-i-evil eye. Parang ganyan, or mabatuhan ng evil eye. And syempre, when it comes to love situations, this is for you. Okay? Kung meron mga gustong ma-fix. Anyway, si love bracelet, this is for connections. Si love bracelet, hindi sinabing nagpapabalik. Okay? Hindi sinabing ganto, ganyan. Kung anong gusto mo, yun na. No! Okay? Hindi tayo ganun. So, kung anong dapat para sa'yo, ito ang kukunin. Ito ang gagawa. Okay? Siya yung gagawa. Kung anong dapat sa'yo, yun ang ibibigay ni love bracelet. Okay? Kung meron siya mga tatanggalin, go. Yung kailangan mo lang makigo with the flow kay love bracelet. Okay? Kailangan mo lang maniwala. Yeah. So, okay. So, si granter. Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. So, sa totoo lang, real talk lang, hindi lahat ng minamanifest mo is ka-frequency mo. Okay? So, kapag nagmamanifest tayo, tinitingnan niya kung ka-frequency ba. Kung yung minamanifest mo is ready naman na, okay? Hindi ka na para paghintayin ni granter. Okay? And syempre, kung sa tingin niya, wala pang available para sa'yo iba ang bibigay ko. Parang ganon. Iba muna. Yan. Doon na pasok yung mga surprises ni granter. Okay? This is unisex and made to order. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. 20 inches lang yung chain. Okay? Pero pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And yung ating pang cord cutting. So, si cord cut is kinakat natin yung mga energies na nakakonect pa sa'yo na hindi naman na dapat. Kailangan. Pero nandyan pa rin. Okay? So, yeah. Kung may mga iba pang tanong, mayroon pang mga gustong malaman, message na lang po. Ha? Okay? So, Taurus. In general, anong meron for you? In general. Bago mag-end ang April, anong energies surrounding Taurus placements? Energies surrounding Taurus. Anong meron? Temperance. Balance. Patience. The Knight of Wands. Ano tong Knight of Wands na to? Two of Pentacles. May susubok. Like sabihin natin pasensya mo. Susubukin. Some of you nasa isang sitwasyon kayo in love na parang itong person na to is hindi talaga focus sa'yo. Some of them, merong energy na merong iba. I'm sorry. Pero, andito, iba sa inyo na parang sinasabing wag ka munang akra ng akra or action ng action kung ano man. And, hindi rin po sinasabing maging pasensyoso o pasensyosa ka sa mga taong juggler. Okay? Sinasabi rito, if this person, if this connection is just wasting your time at nagbibigay lang ng pasakit at burden sa'yo, alam mo na kung anong dapat mong gawin. Huwag ka nang gumawa ng dahilan para takpan ang mata mo at maging pasensyoso pa rin o pasensyosa. Ha? Okay? Itetest na naman yung pasensya mo ng taong to. Could be an earth sign or fire sign. They're a juggler. They are a juggler. Okay? That's specific, I think. Ace of Swords in reversed. Two of Wands. Meron kayong i-reject. Yeah. Or maybe, ikaw itong parang hindi ka na mamamag-asa pagdating dito sa Two of Wands na to. Meron ditong parang mabagal. Slow moving. Oo, parang ganyan. I'm hearing delays, pendings because of this. Okay. Two of Wands. Ano to? The Fool in reversed. Kung merong mga sitwasyon, pwede kasi may mga sitwasyon tao na para magbibigay ng delay sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan ma-delay just because of them, just because of the situation. Okay? Pwede kang umaksyon, pwede kang kumilos ng sayo, pwede kang dumisisyon ng sayo. Okay? As simple as, hoy Taurus, sandali lang ha. Kasi hindi pa tapos yung akin, pwede bang sabay na tayo? Okay? Mga ganong bagay. Pwede bang sabay na tayong magpasa? Pwede bang sabay na tayong mag-out? Something like that. Na pwedeng mag-cause ng delay sa part mo. Okay? Imbes na hindi ka malilate sa next schedule mo, pwedeng ma-delay ka because of this. Mga ganong bagay. Sisimplihan lang natin yung energy. Okay? Maging, sabihin natin, mature ka pagdating sa pagdedesisyon sa sarili. Okay? Yeah, I think this is work-related. A work-related energy. May na-pending dito na sabihin nating promotion and pwedeng may bibigay na sa iba sa inyo. May na-pending ditong transaction na pwedeng mag-go ulit. That's specific. What else? So, Page of Wands. Some of you could be opening a business, a small business maybe. Page of Wands. The Five of Cups. Oh. So, meron ditong energy na parang flirt. Gagawin yung pakikipag-flirt para maka-move on. The Knight of Swords. So, is this Page of Wands? If this is your past person, huwag ka mag-expect na gusto ka, na mahal ka. Okay? Kasi bumabalik. Ang nakikita ko rito, kaya siya bumabalik kasi mas gusto niyang makausad agad. Yes. Yun ang hindi alam ng iba. Yung parang pabalik-balik. Mas tinuturuan mong yung person mo na mas makausad sa'yo. Yeah. The Star in reversed. Okay? So, hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam kung bakit siya nandyan palagi. Pwedeng mag-expect, ay baka gusto pa rin niya ako, ay baka mahal pa rin niya ako. Ang hindi mo alam, unti-unti na talagang nag-slip away itong taong to sa'yo. You're helping them to move on. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Wands. You have to avoid him. You have to avoid that person kung nandun ka na sa sitwasyon na yun. Okay? So, next, tingnan natin. Situations in love. So, kuha tayo ng kahit dalawa. Okay? 2 situations. So, situations in love for Taurus. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Taurus, Let's see, kunin ko to. The Devil in reverse. Could be a Capricorn. The Eight of Swords. Releasing from toxic or negative energies. Okay. Page of Swords. Some of you, kung ikaw itong parang nakaka-release na sa isang toxic or sabihin nating stressful connection, here they come again. The Page of Swords, some of them, they're just watching you, they're keeping tabs on you. Okay, they're stalking you. May chance na mag-chat ito or mag-reach out. Okay? What's with that Page of Swords? Page of Swords. What you need to know. The Star in reverse. They're not healed. They're not. May chance na kung ikaw nakakausad ka na, parang babalik ka na naman to zero. Tit! Yeah. Parang babalik ka na naman sa zero nito. Like back to zero. Okay? So, yeah. The King of Swords. If they will reach you out like the Page of Swords, be the King of Swords. Ipakita mo na malawak na, like sabihin nating malayo na yung gap ninyong dalawa. Okay? Para sabihin nating kung kaya nyong humabol sa'yo, di go. Pero don't go down sa kanilang level. Okay? So there. What else for Taurus? Taurus placements. Iba sa inyo kung ready ka na kausapin yung person na to kahit hindi ka pa healed or okay ka na, kung ready ka ulit, yeah, okay naman, open the line of communication sa kanila, pero no emotions dapat. Okay, what else for you, Taurus? Okay, situation in love. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles. Somebody wants to fix things. Somebody is giving you attention, I think. Or maybe, yeah, the Ace of Wands. This is new. There is somebody na pwedeng interested sa'yo. Pwedeng sa workplace or somewhere na pwedeng an environment na talagang pinupuntahan mo everyday maybe. So, yeah, there's somebody na sabihin nating into you. Okay? So, anong meron? The Ace of Swords in reverse. They will give you, I think, confusion or mixed signals or head games, mind games. Why? The Eight of Cups. Okay, then okay. So, parang itong taong to, itong bago na to, sabihin natin, hahayaan lang nila to. Hindi sila magpapahayag ng emosyon sa'yo. Okay, pero andun yung energy na parang iki-crave at iki-crave ka niya. Yeah. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles, Universe, the Sun. So, yung energy is like drawn. Okay, parang andun yung pull, like magnetic pull to each other. So, the Nine of Pentacles is here in reverse. This is commitments. So, hindi siguro malabo na itong taong to is mag-open up rin naman. Actually, the Sun is here. Okay? Sa ngayon, strength is in the reverse. May chance na hindi pa niya kaya. No? Pero this person, yeah, the Judgment, sabihin natin gagawa at gagawa rin ng way para ma-express yung mga kailangan niyang i-express sa'yo. There's a new person, maybe two, okay, na parang interested sa'yo. Yun, dun sa palagi mong pinupuntahan. It could be a workplace, a school, gym, if ever. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, you're like a single father or a single mother or somebody na pwedeng, yun nga, may anak. I don't know. Okay, they're like, sabihin nating interested. Itong taong to. Interested sila sa'yo. Okay? So, there. Yeah. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. The person on Taurus mind. Who is this? Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Taurus, who is this person you're thinking of? Seven of Swords in reverse. Pwede may nalaman kang secret sa kanya. May na-reveal, something like that. Death na nag-cause ng separation. Could be an air sign or Scorpio. Two of Wands. Pwedeng may nalaman ka pagdating sa kanya. May nahuli ka. So, mga specific po yan, ha? May nahuli ka. Some of them, they're dealing with another connection. Kaya may nangyaring ending. Okay? Marami ka rin gustong mabago sa kanya eh. Pero mas pinili ng taong tong lumayo or alisin ka. Like, sabihin nating napuno ka na. Okay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayon? The world in the reverse. There's this unfinished business. Page of Pentacles, they're mature. Wala akong nakikita dito masyadong changes or upgrade or leveling up pagdating sa person mo. They're young, some of them, or maybe immature lang talaga. So, what is their emotion right now for you? Seven of Pentacles. Feeling ng taong to, invested ka pa rin. Okay. The Eight of Cups. It's like, hindi pa kami tapos. Yeah. Hindi pa kami tapos nito ni Taurus. Alam ko yun. Parang ganun. Some of them, emosyon nito, it's like, dito lang ako. Parang ganyan. Dito lang ako. Hindi ako aalis. Hindi ako lalayo. Parang ganyan. Okay? The Queen of Swords in reverse. Tinanong ko, paano kung meron ng iba? Sabihin natin, kung may iba, para pa rin itong ano eh, yung utak niya, puso, kung ano man, nasa iyo pa rin. Parang ganyan. Okay? Some of them, di sila makapag-focus sa kakonect nila ngayon. Yeah. Let's see. What is their next action towards you? Their next action. The Five of Cups in reversed. And the Empress. They will try to impress you. They will. I-impress ka. Oo, magpapa-impress sa'yo tong taong to para habulin mo siya, Taurus. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. They will guard up. Magtatry ito, kunyari itong taong to is mag-move on. Yeah. Kala mo talaga. Ano tong Empress na to? See, the Six of Swords in reversed. Actually, ang nakikita ko rito, mga kuno lang, like kunyari lang na pag-upgrade ang gagawin ng taong to. Yeah. So it's like a facade, a mask, para habulin mo tong taong to. Okay? Seven of Wands in reversed. Wala akong masyadong effort na nakikita. Yung Empress na to, pag-i-impress na gagawin, pagpapa-impress, at sabihin nating a joke. it's just a joke. Yeah. So, anong outcome nyo ngayong April? Okay, the Eight of Wands in reverse and the King of Wands in reverse. This is communication. Okay, communication, the King of Wands in reversed. Walang pinatutunguhan to. Unplanned. It's like, magkausap lang kayo pero walang direction. Anong meron? Parang ganyan. Ten of Swords is here. May chance na totally mawala rin agad. Okay? Yeah. The Devil in reverse. Some of you pwedeng maging, sabihin nating, no label pero may sex. Some of you. So, gawing gabay, if ever. So, kapag nakipag-connect ka muli dito, this is a cycle. A repeat cycle. Judgment in reverse. Kailangan na mag-end to. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Kung sakali, kung kaya mo hindi makipag-reconcile, hindi makipag-connect, mas maganda. Kasi walang improvement pa yung tao. Okay? So, some of them, alam nila na you're still expecting, you're still waiting for them. Ganon kalaki yung ego at pride niya. Ha? So, kaunti lang na mga pasikat na gagawin nito, pwedeng sabihin niya na, ay, makukuha ko na muli si Tauro sa mga paganto-ganto ko lang. Mga ganon. Okay? Sa mga kuno na gagawin ko, na kunyari okay ako, or ganto, ganyan. Anyway, so there. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs for you. Taurus. Let's see. Taurus placements. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you sa mga nagla-like and sa mga nag-share. And yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe yung ating second and yung isa pang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you sa help and support. So, Aries, they're open. They have plans for you. Taurus. So, parang lie low ang naririnig ko dito, or pagdistansya, detaching. Gemini, they're being impatient. Cancer, wala nang focus, wala nang effort. Some of them, they have no they don't have any work sa ngayon. Iba sa kanila. Leo, legal matter, legal issue. Some of you, this is infidelity or third party involvement. Virgo, they're still stuck. Okay, feeling stuck. Libra, they're attracted. Some of you maybe are attracted to this Libra. Scorpio, ayaw mo na magtiwala, or hindi mo na dapat pagkatiwalaan si Scorpio. Sagittarius, they need you. Capricorn, expect a communication, expect messages from this Capricorn. Aquarius, they want to reconcile. They want something like makasama ka, parang ganyan. Pisces, they will make action na parang hindi pinag-isipan. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles, it's like bahala na si Batman. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo. Parang ganon. So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!